Hey, so what do I do on rainy days? Well, number one.
What I can do? What's your name? I'm Sky Blue. Well, I'm Red Food with the big ass fro. Never wear lenses on my glasses, yo. My first keyboard was a Casio.
I hang out with my brother, friends, go to the movies. Four. I watch TV. Number five. Go outside and walk in the stomp in the puddles. Number six. I read a book. Not really, but yeah. Go on the computer. That's a big one. I'm always on the computer. So yeah. What else do you do in rainy days? Why don't you tell me down there? I go to the pool on rainy days unless it's thundering then. I hang out with my animals on rainy days and clean. That's basically what I do on my rainy days, besides if it's school days, which I am getting out of school in 4 days. In 4 days I'll be out of school. How cool is that? I can make more videos. And yeah. Okay, so here's my favorite song. So yeah.
Get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun and do something, if you wanna have fun and do something, get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun and do something, if you wanna have fun and do something.
I walk in the club with no ID. Girls on my jock 'cause I'm VIP.